time.
Yeah, I can't feel it.
What?
What? I can't feel it.
Dude, it just doesn't smell so far.
Well, let it get a big cherry.
No.
I put one out of my mouth the other night.
Oh, that was funny.
Kind of threw up a little bit. But I was also
The mouth's not amused.
He wanted to try it.
And did I do it?
Yeah.
You be the man. The cigarette stuff is right there, honey. Oh my God, you have no none of these.
Mm-mm. Usually the girls.
I'm not recording you, shut up. Denied.
I thought it was Fireboy.